I wake up at 7 every morning. I wake up at 7 every morning. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel. I put on my clothes for the day. I put on my clothes for the day. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I boil water for my tea. I boil water for my tea. I make 2 eggs every morning. I make 2 eggs every morning. I eat breakfast at the kitchen table. I eat breakfast at the kitchen table. I drink a glass of water with my meal. I drink a glass of water with my meal. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages.
I read the news on my tablet. I read the news on my tablet. I pack my bag for work. I pack my bag for work. I put on my shoes near the door. I put on my shoes near the door. I look for my keys on the table. I look for my keys on the table. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I lock the door before I leave. I lock the door before I leave. I walk to the bus stop near my house. I walk to the bus stop near my house. I wait for the bus at the stop. I wait for the bus at the stop. I listen to music on the way to work. I listen to music on the way to work. I arrive at the office in the morning. I arrive at the office in the morning. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I drink coffee while I start my work. I drink coffee while I start my work. I check my emails every morning at work. I check my emails every morning at work. I have a great morning every day. I have a great morning every day.